friends, good morning. On behalf of the entire team, I am Craig Manula, your livelihood focal. And it is both an honor and a privilege to be standing before you today as we gather for the Hilongos SLP Summit 2024. Before we proceed with our program, I would like to take this opportunity to extend our deepest gratitude and recognition to the individuals and organizations whose support has been integral in making this event possible and in advancing the vision and building sustainable futures in Hilongos. First and foremost, we express our heartfelt appreciation to Honorable Mayor Manuel R. Villahermosa, our respected municipal mayor. Your unwavering leadership and dedication to the welfare of our community have paved the way for the initiative like the Sustainable Livelihood Program to thrive and empower our people. Thank you for always championing our cause. To our Honorable Manuel V. Lora, our municipal councilor, chair of the Committee on Livelihood Development, we extend our gratitude for your continued support in developing livelihood opportunities that uplift our constituents. Your vision and the growth and prosperity of Hilongos is truly inspiring. We also acknowledge the efforts of our Honorable Bernadette Nervis, our Committee of Chairman Social Services, for your commitment to ensuring the social welfare programs like SLP reach those who need them most, making a positive difference in the lives of countless families. A special thanks to Mr. Darwin C. Cabilin, Provincial Coordinator under the SLP Liki Cluster, and Ms. Joan A. Rosa, for your valuable guidance and coordination, which have been crucial in the successful implementation of the program here in Hilongos. We also extend our deepest appreciation to the Armed Forces of the Philippines, represented by Second Lieutenant Romy M. Matikyu, Executive Bravo Company 14th ID, for your valuable guidance and coordination, which have been crucial in successful implementation. Partnership in support in securing and maintenance of peace and order, which allows initiative like SLP to flourish. To Mr. Leonard T. Hamilio, our Municipal Social Welfare Development Officer,